Hello e-scooter friends, welcome to another video of WMA here on YouTube. Thanks again for switching in. And yes, in this video I'm going to show you another option to get more speed out of your Segway Ninebot Max G2. And you have like several options, and with this option we're going to change the motor from the old motor to the new motor. And for this tuning you of course need already installed like the Scooterhacking app. If you don't know how to install the app or haven't heard about it, this is a video where I show you step by step to how to get it on your scooter. And in the original form, my scooter was with a 100% battery capacity. I had a top speed of 34 kilometers per hour. After switching the motor to the new one, I had a max speed of 40 kilometers per hour, so 6 kilometers per hour more. And that is like a pretty strong increase from 50 to 20%. And so that could be an interesting option for one of you. And if you're interested in switching your motor, so my old one was UNAH, so that is the motor number. And the new one we installed is PPAH. So you can have like a look at it, and you will also see here on the board that there are like different numbers and also like different ways of power the motors do deliver. And I think like 6 km/h more than the original one. That is quite amazing. So I would say when you want to buy a motor, just be careful that you don't buy a cheap aftermarket one. So normally the prices are around like 170 euros plus minus. And the one thing you can see if it's an original one is like when you look at the screws of the motor, there you can see if it's an original one or in case a fake one. So just before we start, I will just show you how fast the scooter was before. And now we'll get like right into it and switch the motor. For this we need to remove the battery cover, the controller, just like take it out a little bit. Then we can remove the original motor, put in the new one, and then I can show you how easily you can get up to 40 kilometers per hour. So at this moment I would be more than happy if you leave a thumbs up, put a sub to the channel, let it keep growing, and just put me down in the comments. What is your opinion about that? Is the money worth the tuning? Looking forward hearing from you. And at this point we start with the video. Let's go. Now, as you've seen, it was quite easy to change the motor. It should be like 15 to 30 minutes for each of you. Now we will see what's the difference. I will now switch the scooter on. And to show you that there are just the original scooter hacking settings on there, no field tweaking, no acceleration boost, I will just show you my screen over here. There we go. Now we go to the config tab. And here you see profile 1. We do have the sports mode. Speed limit is set off. Build curve, I've just set the original 25 amps. And then there are no acceleration boost. And also we go to field weakening. It's also deactivated. So we just have like 24 amps like we had with the original settings where we had like the 34. And now we'll see what we can reach. They see we have the 39, 40, still switching. The battery is not 100% full anymore, but normally you have like the 40 on the dash. So maybe it will be more than important or interesting for me to see what are your thoughts about this. Write me down in the comments. Do you think it's worth to spend like this 160, 170, 180 euros for the new motor? In my case, I just wanted to show you what is possible, and I want to, of course, see what is the difference. But it would be more than interesting for me what your thoughts are about this. So at this point, I would be happy, put me down a thumbs up, leave me a sub to the channel, let it grow. And at this point, thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. See you next time.